Hello there, all my friends. I'm Oliver from Token Hobby. Here we got this CS TK26 board and the radio. Let's see how to operate this one. So this is the new board and the radio. Here's the manual. This is the manual. That's the operation, but in Chinese. That I will make in English. But for connection, have English. So I already connected to this tank. I changed the 7.0 mainboard, so change it to TK26. So let's see. And from compare with the manual, you will see each port which function is. So you can switch one by one the wires, or you can compare with the Henlong 7.0 manual, which plug it is, which channel it is, which function. You can compare with that manual to switch to this mainboard one by one. So we got infrared, smoking, and power motor, power switch, and for fan, and for barrel up and down, turret turning. So this CN3 and CN4 I switched. So CN3 and CN4 I changed to each other because for the radio, this one now left and right is for turret turning, up and down for barrel elevation. So this is more easy control. So I switched it. So now CN3 it is for turret turning, CN4 it is for barrel elevation. I switched it. So here we got receiver for infrared, and this is for this and gun lifter. Now we are not using. So machine gun 2, machine gun 1, and we have a barrel firing flashing light, so have laser light, tail light, headlight, machine gun light 1, reversing light, left turn lamp, right turn lamp, but not all lamp I'm assembling with this tank. They are not showing all. So now only have front light and this backward light. So also got this here it is for the BB shooting trigger switch. What is this one? This is the Wi-Fi image transmission. So power can be powered on and off. Can recall your servo. So we will see the function. This manual you can compare one by one by yourself. So let's put this away and start it. Cover it. So not putting screw now. So I will first power off. This one also power off. So first power on the radio. You see the indicating light to indicating light on. And then power on the tank. So now power on. This button is for power on. Tank power on. Start the tank. This button for switch off the tank. So now it's already on. Let's operate it. So if you see from here, let's see that's for turret turning. As I said, CN3, CN4 I switch. Turret turning, barrel up and down. So driving forward, driving backward, spinning to right. And if you want turning, so you with 45 angle push forward. So it's only one track turning. Do you see that? Okay, turning to left. It's 45 angle. Yeah, only one track. 45 to right. 45 to backward. This side, only one track turning. So if you directly turn right and left, it will be spinning. Okay, let's see others. So here we got machine gun 2, machine gun 1, machine gun 2, barrel shooting. barrel shooting and recoil slowly, so it's different from a 7.0 mainboard. A little retard, no, so not so, how to say, after BB shooting boom, and then it starts recoil. And after recoil, after recoil finish, you can start shooting again. Now you cannot shoot. Only after stop recoil, you can shooting again. So let's see the settings. And so with the sound or on, with the tank is already on, you click this button 5 times, 6 times, 5 times already in for going to setting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already going settings. It's sounding settings already inside sound. So 5 times pushing right side is the button. So now let's see.
Increase volume.
Left side increase volume.
Increase volume. Increase volume. Increase volume.
Already decrease.
Increase volume.
Increase a little. So for pushing up, it's changing to mimic automatic gearbox, but now it's not that gearbox. Yeah, you're not pushing up to change. Pushing up 3 seconds. Yeah, no, but we are not using that. Changing again. So for number 3, for number 2, if you push down 3 times, for number 2, push down 3 seconds, we'll switch on and off FPV. It's off, on, but FPV not connected now. So go left, that's the volume. Go to right, that's the recoil, Hall recoil.
Tank recoiling. Increase 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 tank recoiling. Increase.
Okay, maximum Hall recoil. So for 5, it's for the barrel elevation servo, but now we are not using the servo. It's different elevation. And for number 6, for the barrel recoil servo, also we are not connecting recoil servo. It's all connected to the BB shooting unit. So number 7, it is for a slow starting setting. Let's say.
Increase tank starting up speed.
So it will start slowly. Push down and to left. Push down to left. I don't like the delay, so I can switch off the delay. So now start directly. And for number 8, it is for barrel firing, go up and down. This one settings, let's see if succeed. Go off, go out for the settings. No, the barrel is not going up and down. I will see again. So maybe this function, it is only for the barrel firing, after firing, go up and down. This function may be only used for another servo to control the barrel elevation. I will go inside setting again. No elevation up and down. So this one now not using yet. Only for, you see this one we got barrel cannon lifting servo. So now we are not using this one. So the elevation, we are using the barrel lifting motor, not the servo. So for this barrel, after firing, elevation automatically go up and down. It is only for servo, not for the motor control. Let's see another settings for the sound effect. So for sound effect, you have to switch off the tank. Tank is off. Now, right stick pushing forward 3 seconds.
Sound effect settings.
Sound effect settings. So let's go to see. So right stick go up, push up.
Engine sound.
Engine sound. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you push 6 times, you will go to language setting. If yours it is speaking Chinese, you push.
Shooting.
Push
Machine gun 1.
again.
Machine gun 2.
Push.
Turret rotation. Barrel elevation.
Yeah.
So
language.
now going to language, you will hear language.
Chinese, 中文，英文 English.
Now you hear, you can choose English. So let's go setting for the sound again.
Engine sound.
Engine sound. This is the first engine sound. Second one. Another one. Okay, I like this engine sound a lot, but maybe also you like another one. We will choose. This also sound awesome. Let's choose one. Okay, we will using this one. Let's go in another setting.
Main gun. Machine gun. Main gun. Machine gun. Main gun. Machine gun. Main gun.
What is laying gun? Firing, barrel firing. So that's the firing sound. Stick, switch to right side for choosing. This also sounds good. We will use this one, but you can hear again. Okay, another one.
Machine gun.
Machine gun. Okay, choose another one.
Auxiliary gun. Turret rotation.
There's something wrong.
Auxiliary gun.
Should be 2 machine gun.
Machine gun. Main gun. Machine gun.
Okay, we will choose this one.
Auxiliary gun.
Okay, this one, dong.
Turret rotation.
That's for rotation sound. There's so many choices, so you can choose by yourself. Okay, that's it. Another one.
Barrel elevation.
Elevation sound. That's it. We will use this one.
Yeah.
So,
language.
so we are coming back to language again. So that's all the settings. let's go out. So you push 3 seconds forward again.
Engine exit sound effect settings.
Already access.
Sound effect settings. Engine exit sound effect settings.
Yes, I pushed too long time.
Sound effect settings.
So after get out of the sound effect settings, start the tank again. Let's see. Start. That's the engine sound. Threatening. Elevation. This is gun 1. Machine gun 2. It's not like a machine gun, it's already like a barrel firing. So we have to choose another one better. Machine gun 2. Barrel shooting. Only after finish recoil you can shoot him again. So around 2 seconds. Shooting, wait 2 seconds, and shooting again. That's how this is working. Now cannot. Only after finish recoil. Thank you. That's all this one can do. And for others, here it is basically the light switch effect. Let's see. So pressing this button and push left stick forward. This headlight on and off. Okay, check rear side. So push this right side by this button and left stick backward. Strange. Left, push to left. That's the rear side light. And for others, for laser light and for smoking, laser light we don't have. So for smoking, pushing this one and hold to right side. Okay, now smoking already started. This one smoke come quickly and a lot. See how much smoking coming. Okay, let's slow drive it. Thank you. That's the controlling of this TK26 board and radio. Thank you. We'll see each other again.